Paintless Dent Repair. Super Luxury PDR Kit. Induction Heater. Easy Dent. Pneumatic Sucking Disc. Inner Support Tool, Hooks. Adhesive Pulling Tool. Leveling Lamp. Pneumatic Sucking Disc. Suitable for elastic dent which diameter is above 20 centimeters. The best force point is at the lowest point of the dent. Select proper size sucker, opener switch and operate it. Control the pulling strength reasonably according to the thickness of car body shape metal. More than 80% of the metal plates will to be pulled out through multiple pulling. Induction Heater. Easy Dent. Find the repair point of the elastic dent which located at about 2 centimeters to the edge of the dent. From the outer edge of the elastic dent to the internal, repair gradually. It is strictly prohibited to repair from the lowest point of elastic dent directly. Adhesive Pulling Tool. Before operation, preheat the glue gun for melting glue stick. Select proper pulling head according to the size of the dent. Pull the dent vertically through professional pulling hammer or bracket. Remove the pulling head with concentration more than 95% industrial alcohol. Inner Support Tool, Hooks. Insert and reach deep to the dent position through the process hole. Under the light of the leveling lamp, control the strength reasonably to avoid overjack up. Extending from the lowest point of the dent to the surroundings until the completion of the repair. Hammer and repair pen. There will be high points appear in the process. Use repair pen to remove the high point in time. Control the strength reasonably to avoid deforming again. The hammer is mainly used for knocking the bulge around the dent that is higher than its original position.